What's up, guys? Imagine turning your ideas into stunning videos without ever touching a camera. Meet HeyGen's new AI avatar tool. It's epic. Clone yourself, pick a stock avatar, or craft a brand new character in seconds. The possibilities are endless. From viral faceless clips to marketing TikToks, these avatars bring your content to life with moving expressions and real emotion. You can turn any simple photo into a speaking avatar. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so what is HeyGen? HeyGen is the best AI video generated platform for creating AI avatars, faceless videos, going viral, making Facebook ads, TikTok promotions, tutorials, you name it. And the best part, it can speak in different languages. You can quickly make a video multilingual. So let me quickly show the features and then I will show you the new avatar that they just released. You can see here, you can cast your avatar, you can even clone yourself, or you can pick a stock avatar or even generate one with AI. So if you don't want to be on camera, no problem. Just pick from a wide range of AI generated professional avatars or make one yourself. And it can speak any voice. It can even speak your own voice if you want to. Here, for example, you can do a video avatar. You can film yourself, upload the footage, and then it will create a digital clone of yourself. This is the best part, guys. For example, you don't want to be on camera in the studio every day. Instead, you just record your voice in the comfort of your home, on the couch, in the sofa, in your car, in your backyard, and then the digital avatar with your likeness will speak your voice, and it will be very, very human-like. Most people will not even notice. The next one, you can do a photo avatar. You can generate a viral video completely faceless with a digital avatar or even a character. It doesn't have to be photorealistic. It can be just a character for your animated movie or anime. For example, here they made a talking Elsa, yeah? How cool is that? You can make a cartoon for your kids as well. You can do all the avatar personalization you want with motions control. You can set different scenes, for example, headshot, red carpet, outdoors, fitness, at home, near a computer, in the office, whatever you want. Then you can train your avatar to speak interactively in real time, any language during the online conversations, like a Zoom call with an AI person. Amazing stuff, guys. So the possibilities are really endless. The sky is the limit, and it's also very, very affordable. If you check the pricing, it gives you unlimited footage for just $29 per month. How cool is that? All right, let's open our account and I'll show you the new cool features. All right, guys, here is the inside HeyGen account, and you can see they have so many tools. It would take hours and hours to cover them all. You can do AI avatars, you can do faceless viral videos, you can do AI voice, you can do automatic videos on any example. For example, you can make a video how to grow from 0 to 10,000 followers and then click generate, and it's already using AI to write the scenes, and then you click create video and it will generate the whole video in an instant. You can choose the avatar you want, you can click here, choose another avatar, for example this one, and then double click, it instantly changes it. Here on the left you have the script, you can put the audio, you can upload your own audio, you can record audio, you cannot just put the script, it will make the voice. You can choose the voice here, look at that, you can choose an accent. So many tools, guys. Or you can, for example, upload the audio. For example, you can put here this one, and then you can do voice mirroring, so it will automatically use the accent, you can use the poses. So it's basically like a director voice in 11 laps. Very cool. And finally, you export it. And if you're not so good at editing, they have a lot of templates for advertising, for e-commerce, for learning and development, explain your video, social media, business cards, health and medical, breaking news. The sky is the limit. Really easy to do. You choose the template, you click create with new AI studio. And here again, you can put your crypto news and the AI avatar will talk in this language. Now, HeyGen became very popular for its avatar clone feature. If you click avatars, you can create new avatar, and you can even create hyper-realistic clone of yourself. For example, this one. And then all you need to do is just upload 2 to 5 minutes of footage, give the permission to use it, and it will generate lifelike avatar of yourself. Easy as that. And like I said, if you don't want to show your own face, you can do from the wide range of choice of AI-generated avatars, professional avatars, lifestyle avatars, user-generated content, AI-generated. The sky is the limit, guys. The amount of avatars they're offering here is insane. It's wild. And finally, the coolest new feature that they just released is called Photo to Video with Avatar 4. Version 4 is just insane. It's really good. You can upload here an image, type a script, select the voice, and boom! It can generate talking avatars of the characters, anime. It can animate photos of the popular people. Even dog can talk, singing, popular memes. Mona Lisa can talk in different languages. The sky is truly the limit. Let me show you several examples I created with HeyGen using this new feature.
Frankly, folks, nobody knows AI better than me. Believe me, it's huge.
Hey Swifties, did you know HeyGen AI is the most realistic avatars in the world?
Welcome to my baby podcast. If I can do it, so can you.
Welcome to my Mona Lisa podcast. Serious talks, serious guests, AI discussions with a smile.
I wish I could talk so I could tell you how much I love you. Woof, woof.
The sky's the limit, guys.
Looks cool? And the best part? AI can now sing. Here's a song made with Suno.
Lost in the labyrinth, memories where ghosts of the past roam free. But in this car, on this road, I find the courage to unload.
For example, here you can upload the avatar, write a script, sky's the limit, select the voice here. And the best part, it has 30 seconds limit, which is really good. Then click generate and it will be ready in just a minute. There are a couple of other cool avatar animation tools that I want to quickly show you. It's called Pipit by CapCut AI Talking Photo, but it has the limit of only 15 seconds and you cannot upload the voice, only 200 characters. So there are some limitations here, but the quality is just amazing as well. And one more very cool service is called Dreamina, and it has also AI avatar, but only 15 seconds limit. So these all services have a lot of limitations compared to HeyGen, which leads me to believe that HeyGen currently is #1 AI avatar animation platform on the market. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments below what other AI avatar services you've tried, for example, Hydra. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.